Hey guys, I'm back at it, back here in the backyard. Mrs. Lawler has been hard at work here, improving the look of things. I'll show you a couple things here. Look at that. New patio furniture. Jeez! Yeah, you know we're chilling outside. Take a look at this stuff I've done here. 1 rose plant. 2 rose plants. Took a cutting, planted it in the soil, got too big, moved it across to its own little pot. Look at these buds. Look at that fresh bud. Yeah, it's growing. Look at these fresh leaves. Yeah, fresh leaves. Look at all this garden waste to prepare room for these beautiful antirrhiniums, or whatever they're called. I can't say the name. Look at that. So today I'm going to show you how to grow your own fresh flowers at home using only pre-made flowers and pre-made soil. You can do this too. Okay, so here's some flowers we bought from the grocery store. These are 3 pounds. So these come in a crate. You can't just put this into the soil. You've got to take these out of the little boxes. So that's what Mrs. Lawler's been hard work doing here. I'm going to put these here into 5 little holes. Come on up closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, notice how I'm spacing them out. I don't want them to be too close to each other. They're gonna compete with each other if they do that. Get your hands right in that soil. This is not hard. This is easy. Anyone can do this. Why is this so hard?
Don't break them.
I'm not trying to break them. I'm trying to get it out. How did you do this? So easy. Okay, 1. 2. 3. Look at that one, that one looks deformed. It's like coming out of its little soil package. That's weird. No problem. Chuck it in there. Five. Okay, now we want some fresh soil. Should I put much on?
It's good. I feel like half a handful per plant.
So put like half a handful per plant. Depends on the size of your hands.
Just make sure it's all around the plants. And
Make sure it's all around the plants. A little pack down. Maybe zoom in on the flowers. Not too close. Can you see them? Yeah, look at that. I just did that. Now, do they need water? Okay, now put some water on. They need water. Bing! Water. Plants need water for photosynthesis. Yeah. Drench the soil. In just a few months, we're gonna have beautiful flowers here. You can grow your own flowers at home.